So for our low relief project, we've got a few different materials. First one, this is a sticking back board, so it's got a cover sheet that you peel off and there's a sticky side to it. I've got my 3 trimmed down images that we're going to use, and I have my 3 to 4 pieces of foam board depending on which layers I'm going to be using and stacking. So in my photo, I have to think about, okay, 1 layer is my background, second layer is going to be 2 pieces of foam thick, because what you have to consider is you'll always need to keep the bottom of the photograph and stack it every time. So the last piece is going to be 3 layers thick with the fence, this tree, the fence through here. The building and this tree grouping along here, that's going to have 2 layers. So first thing we got to do is we've got to mount it onto this, which is our background. So we're always going to keep the full photograph. All right, so you just got to find a corner on here, peel it off, okay, and then carefully stick it down. Always work from the bottom. Try to line up the bottom. All right, and then press it down. Now there might be a little bit of it extra there, a little bit extra there, but that's okay. So this is my background mounted onto the backing piece. Now I've got to mount my other 3 photos, or 2 photos, however many layers we're doing. In this case, I'm going to be looking at this area is 1 layer, and then this piece is going to have 2 pieces of foam behind it. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I got this, and I have to mount the entire thing to the foam board. Again, always make sure that you're lining it up at the bottom, and if they're a little bit off left and right, that's fine, but the bottom is most important. Now I've got my watered down glue mixture here, and I got a brush. I don't want to put too much glue on here. I just want to get a nice smooth coat on both. So I take the glue and I'm going to just coat the entire surface. I've got my brown paper underneath. So again, I'm going to start at the bottom. Try to get any air bubbles out. Now it's going to take a minute or 2 to dry, obviously. Okay, so this little corner right here, I need a little, just a touch. Okay, so this is going to be my first layer, which I'm going to cut out along here, okay, the tree, so that I have an extra layer when I go to put the 3rd layer on top. And you'll see more once I get down to the next step. All right. Next one, glue down. This one's going to go here. All right, so now I have my 3 parts that are all going to become 3 layers in the next demonstrating part. Now I have to go over, and in warm water I have to clean off the glue from my brush. Warm water, the bottom of the sink, clean the brush out.